Hi, everyone. It's Jeanne Alleva again. Yesterday, I made a video about pearls, creating pearls, cultivating pearls, as John White said. And I thought about it a little bit more, and I realized that when a pearl is forming in a shell, we can't see it. We don't know what size it is, what shape it is, what iridescent colors it might be forming around itself. We can't see any of that, but we know that it's forming. We know that it's in there and that it's going to be beautiful. And there's only one person in the analogy of this representing our company, the only person that knows when that shell will open and when we'll see it is our CEO, Ash Mufareh. So our job is just to know that the pearl is in there, know that it is going to be beautiful in whatever shape and color and formation it is. And so just get excited about that. I think that's amazing. I love surprises and just think about the pearl analogy a little bit more. And yeah, have a great day.